ವಿರಾಮದ ನಂತರ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೋ ಯೋರ್ ಇನ್ಬೋರ್ನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪನೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
And
how does it help? And
yeah,
mathematics ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪನೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
and I was just talking about that. Nagaite, you know, when you class at Kalpanaga, I was always observed in a class of 50 or 60, you know, more than 60% of students are not interested in maths. 5% are absolutely intelligent. The rest is, of course, they are intelligent, little not, to be pushed. But what happens, and you see the body language in a class, of mathematics, they'll always be sitting at the edge of the bench this way, number one, and suppose a previous lecture was anything, Kannada, whatever, the next lecture, which year period, maths, the body language changes, okay, and the way they will sit this way, number one. Secondly, if there is a colleague of his, friends sitting a little taller than him, they will always hide behind that person, because they don't want to face eye to eye with the lecturer. Okay, now these set of students, mathematics, Usharijera, at Akalega mathematics when they were kids are repeated Kortujera, there could be various reasons, okay, but they have to study. I think just before the program, when you have been telling me about your case, Pooja, that she's got 78% at the boards, and of course she's done her MA or BCom, and now she's going for her MBA and things like that. So I was just asking the question, like most of the parents in Mangalore, SSC 80% thickened, Bale, Namo, science. It is not the case,
Exactly.
And the career dada, engineering, doctor, unde. I think I will quote Narayana Murthina Unji wonderful statement in Infosys Dharna. He says, in Karnataka, only 20% of the engineers are employable. It artha dada. Naga, baki the 80% certificate undakale. Are they capable of doing engineering? No. But we just push them. Now in Bangalore, the other day we went to Shimoga. We've got some profiles done. There is a child who's got a fantastic percentage of 85 plus, okay, and taken up science. And in the first PU itself, fared badly and flunked, okay. Now after so much of this one and haggling, and he's joined up now, he's gone for the commerce. When we did the profile, nowhere he's got an inclination towards engineering.
They're forced to do it.
But they're forced. Exactly. The parents are forced, and the child also is confused as to what is his inborn talent. He doesn't know. He's gone for that.
Sometimes the friends also influence.
Yes, exactly. There are many things, like friends, peer pressure. You're a friend, close friend, I science get on science get on. The parents nangal panpir. Oh, I want to give one example. In nearly 10 years, I was in not 10, I think it's around 12, 13 years when I was in Mumbai. I was counseling one of my student who is a fantastic student. She is a 90 plus student, throughout her career. And she was about to appear for the boards. And by December, when I was counseling her, her father is a topmost surgeon in Mumbai. Mother is a doctor. What do you want to do? Her name was Aarti. Aarti, what do you want to do? She said, I want to take up arts. Okay. And then I would like to do journalism and mass communication, or, and that also at St. Xavier's College of Mumbai. Now, I was observing the parents. They were sitting there, cool, dal expression. It's her choice. Away example, nama kudlad vinitudunda. Suppose a parent is a high profile doctor and the mother also. Immediately, parents go, Dada, arts.
No way.
No way. Yes. Science gittu nodu.
Yeah.
But does the child have the potential to do that?
Okay.
That's what.
We have another caller, doctor.
Yeah.
Hello.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು?
ಇದು ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋಂದಲಿಂದ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಬೋಂದಲಿಂದ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ರುಚಿ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನದು?
ಋಷಿ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದೊಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಅದು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಅದಾಚೆ ನೀವು ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಕೈದು ಇದು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಈಗ ಬಾಕಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷದವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಏನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ?
ಮೇಡಮ್, ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷದವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾವ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ 10 ಬೆರಳಿನ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಆ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಂಟ್, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೈಟ್ ನೀವೀಗ
Okay.
ಟಿವಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು
ಹೌದು.
ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್. ಇದು ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಇಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಹೀಗೆ ನಾವು 10 ಬೆರಳಿದು ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಅದು ನಮ್ದು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಫೀಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 3 ರಿಂದ 4 ದಿವಸ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅದು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು 40 ಪೇಜಿನ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಮೂಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ATD ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ಬೆರಳುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ABCD ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಎ ಬೆರಳಿನ ನಡುವೆ ಇರುವ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್, ಡಿ ಬೆರಳಿನ ನಡುವೆ ಇರುವ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಆ ಆಂಗಲ್
ಇವನ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೈದು ಸಹ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಹೌದು ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಾವು 5 ವರ್ಷದ ಮೇಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿನ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
5 years ಬಿಲೋ
5 years ಬಿಲೋ ಮಾಡುದಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಇದು ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇವರು ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮುಖವನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಅದರ ನಂತರ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ ನಂತರವೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಯೋಚಿಸಬೇಡಿ, ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯನೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಇದು ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ರಿಲೇಟೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್, ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಇದು ಏಜ್ 5 years ಗಿಂತ ಬಿಲೋ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ನಂತರ
lines will, the normal, the fingerprints, the ridges are not very sharp and clear. So the scanner wouldn't take it. So after 5 years you can find out.
And moreover, the palms are very small.
Yeah.
And we couldn't find the ATD angle which I'm talking about. So the usually ATD angle will talk about the sensitivity of a child. Towards the learning. What is the sensitivity?
Okay, so 5 years ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ above ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
5 to 50 anybody. Now we've got cases where the children have done it and the parents are curious to know. They are successful in their fields, in business, in professions, but they said, okay, let me find out what is my inborn talent,
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಕುತೂಹಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಕುತೂಹಲ ಖಂಡಿತ.
They are found out.
ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿ.
Yes. Now, as Subramanian sir has already put it to that question there, we had a question when the telephonic question the other day. Some parents said, my child is very scared for a scanner. She thought, maybe like an MRI scan the whole body. Oh, I'm sorry, that is nothing like that. It's a small instrument here that we are seeing on the screen. It's just the fingerprint. And as sir once again I repeat, is each finger, the front part, you tilt it to the left, tilt it to the right. So each finger 30 prints. And the ATD angle, as sir explained once again, that goes, it will come maybe within 4 or 5 days or maximum 1 week. And when the 40-page profile, then we call the parent along with the child for the counseling. Okay, so we can describe everything, whether the child, the right brain, left brain functioning. And I think if they're able to focus on this particular profile, okay, this is a profile of a child, okay, a 40-page profile. It also gives you the multiple intelligence, 8. For example, whether the child has got an inclination towards music, whether the child has got an inclination towards sports or linguistic, or whether your child is an interpersonal child, interpersonal relationship, or intra. Whether he is a person who is self-analytic person, okay. Now, if this particular, like for example, when I say intrapersonal, and this child has also got a bent of mind towards medical, what is the pinpoint career that one can say? Maybe the person can become a psychiatrist, because the person is able to read the other person, and also that he can interpersonal as well as intrapersonal. So this can be narrowed it down to that particular thing also. Okay, so this is the way we do. And once the scanning is done and the multiple intelligence, and then they even give you the entire, they give you the remedies for that in case your mathematical abilities are number 4, like for example, out of the 8. It's not that the child is bad in maths or he just can't do in maths.
Always improve.
Yes, there are and the remedies are given of how to go about it. Okay, and the last page gives us the career options. So many, I always tell students, like, why do you want to opt for only these things? It's not like that perhaps when we were growing up in our days, so limited. But today, I think the younger generation, what I'm talking to you people, you are the most luckiest generation, I believe, because you've got a wide variety of career options today and courses there. And it's not that, doing medicine or doing this or that, I mean, that is one above the other. No. What is your talent? Do that. And you'll really be enjoying that.
ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸುವ ಸಮಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಜನ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ?
Krushi Academy is at Kadri, at Malikatte, at Nalapad building, opposite Sri Krishna Kalyana Mandap, or Kandige Eye Clinic also, just opposite that. We are on the second floor. At any time, you can come over and get it done, and we can help you out in deciding what are the various career options available to you. You just go and grab it. Right.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನ ನೀಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಒಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಂತೂ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ we could say.
Yeah, because in this one more thing, I think we we can also come to know, in your aptitude test would give only the EQ and the IQ. But this also gives you AQ and CQ. What is AQ? Adversity quotient. CQ, creative quotient. In an adverse situation, are you the person to face that situation or run away? And how creative you are. So it gives you even that particular part. And the learning style. I mean, I think, I'll just take a minute, Pooja. In the sense, like, I've got parents coming and complaining, and in the sessions of counseling, I have heard of, he just sleeps, he just doesn't study. See, each one has got his own body clock, Some students can get up in the morning, some can stay late back. Like, for example, some can study, visual learners are there. Some can auditory learners, and they can hear itself. In a class now, the teacher normally, she will, some child will fidgeting something there, and the teacher thinks it's disturbing, and she asks a question, he will answer. So he is listening it. He's a very auditory kind. Or some are body kinesthetic. Like some students, they can even study so beautifully with the music on, or with the earplug on, or the television on. They can do it. And once you know, this is the learning style of my child, leave it. Don't pressurize it. It will be so fun learning.
Once again, thank you so much for coming to our show, sir.
Thank you for having called us here, Pooja.
Yes, thank you. It's a pleasure, sir. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕದ್ರಿ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೇನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಯಾವ ಕರಿಯರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ವಿ4 News 24/7. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.